Imagine you go for racing for the first time ever and you win. What? For the first time and you are a winner? This is what exactly happened with this amazing Porsche Spyder 550. It won the first time it entered a race in 1953. Listed by Too Many Classic on Doobie Cars, your trusted platform for buying, selling, or researching any car in the UAE. Produced between 1953 and 1956, it finished in the top 3 in its class. In every race it entered. Now what you see here is a detailed replica of the Porsche Spyder 550. Each part in this car is handmade to make it look and feel like the original. Produced by Beck, which is an American brand that specializes in the production of the detailed replica of a classic Porsche's cars, like the 356 550 Spyder and the 904. The original Porsche 550 weighed just 550 kilograms. This is just a light because it comes with the fiberglass body on a tubular frame. Only 90 units was produced, which will make it valuable, right? Because one of these was auctioned at $5.1 million. Which is make it like, what, 18.7 million dirham? Now, this replica right here, you can get it today at only 262,395 dirham. We start with the front of the car. If you look here, you see a beautiful chrome headlight. Of course, this guard used to be to protect the headlight from the rocks when it comes to race. Now here you have your signal light. Of course, it's very obvious. And if you see the body, how it's curving, you will see here the Porsche in a gold logo. Now, if you pay closer attention, you will see the car with a lot of curves. Why do you think so? Of course, this thing was a racer, so they had to make sure that the car is perfectly aerodynamic. Now, when it comes at the back, you see this simplistic design, and it looks so amazing. If you see here, you have one exhaust, and you see here, all this part, it open up for the engine. Now, it doesn't open that, it open that way, completely, the whole part. And it's held by 2 leather in this side. Of course, a lot of you may wondering why this thing here existed. Well, it's very simple. As the people, when they used to sit here, they used to race the car. Imagine a helmet. And imagine this part, that help with aerodynamic. Now, the original 550 Spyder used to have a flat 4-cylinder 1.5-liter engine, which produces 108 horsepower. Now here we have a VW engine, and of course it's flat, but it produces 155 horsepower, which is obviously more than the original one. The question is, why they didn't put the original engine? It's very simple. 19 units around the world to rebuild that engine or build that engine, it's gonna cost you a lot of time and money. So Beck turned to the other flat 4 engine in the market, more reliable while still offering a good performance. You can fit onto this piece 2 types of engine. The VW comes with the 1.2-liter air-cooled flat 4-cylinder engine. The Subaru comes with the 2.5-liter water-cooled flat 4-cylinder. Choosing to put that particular engine, it gives a driving experience that's extremely similar to the driving experience in the original. Can you see here? That's a 4-gear manual speed transmission. After we saw this amazing gearbox, which is stand just under the dashboard, we see this amazing steering wheel, which is stand flat almost into the dashboard. You have here the cluster and a beautiful leather interior. I love where they place the handbrake. So this replica looks, feel and perform the original Porsche 550 Spyder. With the price of the replica, guess what? You can get this beautiful 1955 Porsche Spyder 550 today, listed by Too Many Classic on Doobie Cars. All you need to do is download the app, turn the notification on so you stay updated. See you in the next video.